Hi guys, and welcome to this first portfolio walkthrough where I will walk through my portfolio and what has happened basically with it, how it performed, the best and the worst performances, and some of the monthly purchases and sales we have had. So this is my dashboard for my portfolio. As you can see, it has a cost basis of 4,222. This portfolio was created alongside the YouTube channel, so this is something basically that I just started. You can see here that it's gone up pretty rapidly. Started it in April and this is mostly May. So far it has performed quite okay compared to S&P 500. We have a total gain of just under 1%. Today it's been pretty red so far, so I expect this to either go to zero or slightly below. We will see, hopefully not, but we don't know for sure. So the market value is 42.59, so there's a slight plus so far. I've only received dividends once from this portfolio, and that was May. It was for Starbucks, and I received $292, so not that much yet, but still, it's okay. We are coming along. It's a new portfolio. We are starting to build it up, so I am taking you along the journey from the start. I have a goal for this year, hopefully to get to $500 in annual dividends. So far we are at 191, so I think it should be pretty easy to get there unless I suddenly lose the ability to invest on a monthly basis for some reason. Obviously I have kids and a family, so a lot of stuff can happen, you never know, but hopefully nothing big happen. So far I'm really happy about the performance. So if we look at some of the best performing members of my portfolio so far, we have UGI, and they're up on the last month around 25%. Unfortunately, I didn't own them from the start. I think I'm around 1% up on this stock, so I recently bought it actually. Horizon has been really good this month. It's up around 10%, and I bought them really early. They don't have a lot of growth on their dividend, but it's a pretty good income source, I would say. And then Ali as well here, up 10% for the month, also pretty good. I picked it up pretty cheap as well, not the 37 lows for the last 52 weeks, but I did pick it up at a pretty good price, I think. FNF, which I just released a card on, is up 6.23%, also really good. I did pick it up at a pretty good price, so pretty good performance for this one, I would say. And Starbucks, also up a bit. I think I have a cost base of around 77, so actually it's a bit down on that. If you bought the dip for around the 68, you'll be pretty good shape right now, I would say. And then as Tiro, I expect a lot of this stock. Obviously it had a pretty huge 52-week high at 224. Right now it's only up around 329 for the last month, so still room to grow, and if you want in on this stock, I definitely think this price is still a pretty good entry point. Then I have a Riyadh Medical Properties Trust, 18.15, only up around 1%, but again, it's not such a huge range it has, so also expect a lot of it because they are renting out hospitals and medical centers and so on, and obviously nobody not going to the hospital if they need it. Populations are aging, so I think still there's a lot of need for this, so I think it's going to be a pretty good one. Then I have Maine. I actually bought into it yesterday, and I think I bought in around 38, so I'm already a bit down on this one, but still this is pretty good. They pay a monthly dividend and they have pretty good growth. They have pretty good dividend, I would say, so this is definitely something that is at a pretty good price if you want to go into it right now. As you can see here, the range isn't that big anyway, so this will, as long as this just chugs along, I think it's going to be a pretty good income play. And then in the bottom here we have Best Buy, which is on a monthly basis the worst performer. Luckily I didn't buy into this at 80.60. I bought into it around 79, 78. If you bought in at 69, you would be in a really good shape here because it skyrocketed soon after. So I think this is a pretty good spot still if you want to get in on this. It has some pretty good room for growth, and obviously even if being a retailer, I still think they have a pretty good moat with the Geek Squad and everything. I definitely like this stock still a lot. I want to go through all the purchases and sales that have been done here in May, but I don't want to do them one by one because, as I said, it's a new portfolio and it started in May, so all of these have been bought in May. So if you want to take a look at the number of shares and the price they were purchased at, you can pause the video here and just read through them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to support me, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content in the future. I try to upload as many videos as I can, so until next time, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next one.